I'm Blair Gilbert here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to talk about a quick, easy repair to your remote outdoor garage door opener. What has happened is at my producer's house, his code started not working in the wintertime. So he had to push harder and wait and struggle with it to open his code, but it was mostly 1, 2, 3. We found out an easy way to cure this is just change the code. Get off your old numbers, and he created a new code using a new set of digits. So now when he punches in his alarm, he's using pads that weren't worn out. Now a lot of these units, if you're adventurous, and you know you're probably going to have to replace it anyhow, you take these apart. Some of these have screws, and this rubber panel lifts off, and underneath it I've taken an eraser, cleaned the board that these numbers are pushing against. I've revived it. You can, if this one is sealed, what's cool is you can take and either clean and save your old one, or change your code to a new code, or you can buy a new one that is adaptable to just about everything. Chamberlain is a universal guy for almost everybody. He made them for craftsmen. Easy set. Just tons of people. The Chamberlains do almost all the other openers. So when you have your opener and you know what it is, you go to the store, it'll say in the back all your different choices. They're all kind of the same. You got to program a little differently. Good instructions. Don't let the garage door get you down. Easy repair on your own if you need to with these few little tricks.